Our next category, and also the recipient of the Robert Algie Trust donation, Taiohi Wahine, our first nominee, Shakota Cox. Shakota is Ngāti Kahungunu Rangitane descent and is a 2017 Mahanga Golf Club Women's Champion. She is the Wairarapa Junior Women's Golf Champ, Wairarapa Women's, and they beat Wellington. Pretty easy though, eh? She is in the Wellington Development Academy. She is a Wellington rep, and under 19s Wellington, she represented Wellington versus Hawke's Bay and placed in the top 4 of finalists, Wairarapa Secondary School Sportswoman of the Year 2017. She is the under-19s National Interprovincial Golf Team, where they placed first. And Shakota achieved first place in 4 of 6 matches this season. Kia ora. What's the secret to like the perfect golf swing?
You never have a perfect golf swing.
No, I've seen it. I've seen it on like Wii. Like, I got like this big mark come up saying, like, perfect, so there's no such thing, eh? Heaps of practice. How often do you practice?
Maybe twice a week.
Twice a week. That's all, and you achieved all this? Good girl, well done. Hapai. Our next nominee is Cameron Potangaroa. Cameron is of Ngāti Kahungunu Rangitane. She was a finalist in the Wairarapa netball team, and she was Senior Player of the Year. Wairarapa College netball team, Lower North Island Division 2 champions. She is Wairarapa College Senior A, Most Promising Player Award recipient. Under 15s Ikaroa Ki Te Tonga Nationals, placed in the top 12. A member of the under 17s Ikaroa Ki Te Tonga Nationals, and she is in the Wellington Regional Talent ID and Pi 4 Wellington. What does that mean? Pi 4? No such thing.
Oh, it's the netball club I played for in Wellington.
Oh, is it PIE?
PIC.
Oh, PIC. Someone setting me up with a pie. Because I was wondering, this should be on my, that should be on my 1A, like the can eat 4 pies type kind of thing. In terms of future, Cameron, where's the next step for you?
Getting fitter.
Yeah, because you look like you need it. I've seen you at the gym, eh? Yeah. So what's next? Are you, is the pulse, or do you think, is there a development path for you? Mm-hmm. Good girl. Well done. Good luck. She speaks like her dad too much. Our last nominee in this category is Katia McKenzie. Katia is of Ngāti Kahungunu Rangitane, Ngāti Haunui Paparangi descent, and she is a Central District's Powerlifting Sub-Junior Championship winner. She placed first. New Zealand National Powerlifting Championships in Dunedin. She represented at the National Powerlifting Championships with a squat record of 140 kgs. New Zealand National Powerlifting Championship, bench record 67.5 kgs. New Zealand National Powerlifting Championship deadlift record 145 kgs. New Zealand National Powerlifting Championship total 350 kgs, which is 42.5 kgs over the previous record. Katia achieved 4 national records and aims for the 2018 Worlds. Kia ora, Katia. Oh no, So like 140 kgs, that's pretty close to, if not far off from this. So how long have you been training?
I started this year.
Really? That makes me feel quite bad, eh? Well done, Katia. Our last nominee for this category is Kiani Parks. Get up here. Kiani is a member of the Wairarapa Under-17 team, the Wairarapa Premier Reserve netball team, the Wairarapa Intercollegiate Athletics Senior Girls Shot Put, where she placed first, Regional North Island Secondary Schools Athletics Senior Girls Shot Put, placed in the top 8, Under-17 New Zealand netball team, and one of 3 captains that they used, Wairarapa Wakaama team Senior Girls, and she is the steerer where they placed in the semi-finals, and 19's Solway College Wakaama team. Kia ora, Kiani. So netball, athletics, namely shot put, just shot put, or you do lots of other disciplines, just shot put, and Wakaama. If you were to choose one, this is putting you on the spot now, if you were to choose one, which would you prefer?
Netball.
Netball. Good girl. And what's the next step for you with your netball?
Oh, I don't know.
Don't know? Haven't thought about it? Christmas time, eh? Think about it. Christmas. Good girl, darling. Kia ora, Kiani. This category is sponsored by Te Hauora Runanga o Wairarapa, and if I could ask Auntie Mere. She here, Auntie Mere Kerehi? Oh, you're Nani Paremo? Are you delegating? Is Nani Paremo?
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko rero māku te honore ki te hoatu tēnei, tēnei taonga ki ia. Shakeoda Locks.
First of all, I'd like to thank my parents for taking me to golf and pushing me into it, even though I didn't really want to play at first, and providing the funds, of course, because golf isn't cheap. And all my family and my family at Mahanga Golf Club for supporting me. Yeah, thanks. My name is Shakeoda Cox, and I have received the Tai Ohe Wahine award for playing golf. At Wairarapa College I play basketball, cricket, volleyball, touch rugby. It hasn't really sunk in yet, but it'll probably mean a lot to me once the how you put it, excitement goes away, but yeah, it means a lot. In October, I represented Wellington in the National Interprovincial Championships for under-19, and we won it for the first time in 20 years. Even if I don't get to let it go, it's still going to mean a lot, so yeah, just get there.